I welcome on stage Julie Ferrigno, R&D engineer at e2ip based in Canada. They are really doing cool stuff. Yeah, very good. Thank you very much. So Julie will tell us about 5G smart surfaces today and the cool work e2ip is doing. Feel free to start screen sharing, Julie.
Sure. Thank you very much. So, good. Whoops. Good morning, everyone. Well, good afternoon. It's still the morning here in Canada. I'm Julie Ferrigno. I'm R&D engineer at e2ip Technologies. And today I'm going to present you our technology called 5G Smart Surface. So I'll start by presenting the company. We are experts in designing and manufacturing innovative human-machine interface, so HMI for short, and smart surface solutions, thanks to our expertise in screen print for more than 30 years now. We are based in Montreal. We also have 2 manufacturing sites here and 1 manufacturing site in Casablanca, Morocco, and 2 offices in the US, 1 in Minneapolis and the other 1 in Phoenix. So across the world, we are approximately 400 employees, give or take, including engineers, designers, R&D teams, technicians, project manager, a lot of people. We also own a portfolio of more than 15 family patents in key printable electronics technologies. Thanks to our partnership with different research center and university and institute, including the National Research Centre of Canada, and especially the Communication Research Centre of Canada. It's with them and our collaboration work that we developed those 5G smart surfaces starting probably 5 years ago. We are certified by the most demanding standards like ISO, and I want to mention that we also certify and qualify our products as per our customer requirements. So it can be aerospace, medical, or military industries and certification. So I start by mentioning that for this technology, we won an innovation award in 2021 at the CES, so Consumer Electronics Show. We are very proud of it. So now back to the presentation. We can split in 2 categories, the 5G Smart Surface. So the main one, the one we call actually the 5G Smart Surface, has a nickname. It's a EES, standing for Electromagnetic Engineered Surface. So those ones are designed to reflect or diffuse radio frequency signals at 28 gigahertz or 60 gigahertz, or different, but those are the main. So those signals emitted at a selected frequency. So I'll explain it a little bit more details in the next slide. So that includes the 5G networks, and it's transparent to any other RF signals emitted at any other frequencies. The second one is the frequency selective surface, and this one acts as a shield by blocking the signal, again, emitted at the selected frequency, so 1 frequency only or 1 bandwidth. Both panels are light, are thin, are flexible, and they can provide an optimized integration for various environments and various applications as well. So how it works. So on the left side, I just mentioned the FSS, the frequency selective surface. So those one block one particular signal, one particular frequency, and it's transparent to any others. So everything is done by design only. So it depends on the frequency, on the bandwidth, on the substrate you're going to use, where you're going to install the panels. But since it's a passive technology, once it's done for 1 frequency, it stays only for this frequency. That's why it's transparent to any others. Regarding the EES, so the 5G Smart Surface, you have in the middle the diffuser. So this one will diffuse in a large and vast area the signal to cover easily the dead zone in the 5G network coverage. And on the last one, on the right side, it's the reflector. So this one is going to refocus the signal at 1 particular angle. And it's